Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at what you can do if the command prompt keeps appearing and then disappearing in Windows. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. If you see the command prompt appear multiple times, let's see if you can see the associated program. If you open the command prompt, you'll see that at the top it shows what program is running. So if you see the command prompt appearing and disappearing often, you might be able to see what this particular program is that's running. Check and see if that program is installed properly. It might be necessary to uninstall and then reinstall the program and see if that corrects the problem. Next, we can check the task scheduler. Open search, type in task scheduler. In the center pane, look at the names of the programs, go over to last run result. If you see anything besides a 0x0, then that is an error. And if the command prompt happens to be opening at the same time each day, then you might be able to narrow this down by time. You can then see the program that's causing the error and any errors and look at fixing them. If the command prompt is referring to install luitl.exe, then it's related to the .NET framework applications. It might be trying to update or install a component, thus the command line keeps appearing. The best solution would be to update to the latest version of the .NET framework package. In the article, we have a link to more information of the install lutil.exe from Microsoft. If that is indeed the problem, then the flashing command prompt should no longer be an issue. The problem might also be the Office subscription. The task scheduler holds an Office subscription maintenance task which runs every day to ensure that Microsoft Office subscription licensing is current. In the task scheduler, go to Microsoft, go to Office, and look for Microsoft Office subscription licensing. If it is being triggered, then right-click, go down to Disable. See if that stops the flashing. If all else fails, then run Windows Defender or your antivirus software. Make sure, however, that when you do it in safe mode. Hopefully, this will fix the problem. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.